I'm just watching, buddy.
Aedyn's last clip load to go into the cans for today.
Yep.
So close. Woo, I saw, you could see on the video, like, the whiz of the...
Yeah.
We should get him some gloves with some grippers that would, like, you know, grip to the plastic.
When he tries to pull it back, the thing hits his coat, too.
It's okay.
It's alright.
Touch my shoe.
Yeah, well, I got whacked in the leg with one. It kind of hurt a little bit through my pants. Those little things would hurt if we caught them up close. That's why we say you can't aim them at people.
Remember, take time.
Yeah, you gotta take your time and focus.
Don't just squeeze the trigger.
Remember, you gotta point, aim. Every time you hit it and you nail it, it's because you focus
Line
first.
it all up in between the sights.
See?
There you go.
Every time you do that, look what happens. You nail them. Because you're really good if you focus. I even told Daddy, he was proud.
Yeah.
Okay, focus. Line it up. It's okay. You're just a little off. Just a little bit, not a lot. Okay, take your time and focus. Don't just point and shoot. We're not trying to waste them. Oh, that was a close one. I saw where it hit. It was really close to that can right there. Just a little bit off.
Okay.
Try breathing out when you squeeze on the
I'm
trigger.
gonna do one.
Yeah, stay up to the line. It's okay. Try again.
What if one just went in there, but it didn't knock it down, it just went inside the thing?
Mm-hmm. That would be funny.
That'd be so cool.
Yeah, it will.
I saw that one hit too. You almost got it to cock by yourself. Whoa! That one went in a million pieces. That was cool sounding.
Yeah, buddy.
That's okay.
It's okay. It's alright if you miss.
Yeah, it's okay to miss. Look at how many Mommy missed. And I still had fun, and I thought I did good. Whoa, that one came back in this thing.
Yeah, dude.
Oh, it's out.
Oh,
That's okay.
Probably could have had that.
Yeah, you probably would have. You're that good.
you want to come out tomorrow before we go home?
Yeah.
Yeah, and get some more practice in? Alright. We can do that.
Now hold on, Aedyn. Come here. I want you to hold your gun and keep your safety goggles on and put.